Ayushman. I study in class UKG. I am reciting a poem for the people who help us. Who is the one that help us learn? Help us learn, help us learn. Who is the one that help us learn? That one is the teacher. Who is the one that grows our food, grows our food, grows our food? Who is the one that grows our food? That one is the farmer. Who is the one that brings our mail, brings our mail, brings our mail? Who is the one that brings our mail? That one is the postman. Who is the one that cuts our hair, cuts our hair, cuts our hair? Who is the one that cuts our hair? That one is the barber. People